And welcome back. Ray Amanat here with Self Defense Pros, and we're doing the double stick drills. There's 17 of them. This is through the Piketty-Thiessen system, and this will be drill number 4. This one is called Fluid 6. Now the difference between broken and Fluid 6. So broken 6 that we did earlier, we did a fluid strike high, fluid strike low, and then a broken, which means I hit and pull back. And then we switch sides, did the same thing, fluid strike high line, fluid strike low line, and then a broken strike on the opposite side of the head, pulling it back. Fluid 6, all strikes are going to be on one side of the body, and then all strikes will be on the opposite side of the body. So if I go fluid strike here, high line, then as I do the fluid strike low line, this is going to go around my head and come back with another fluid strike on the same side of the head on a high line. I do the same thing here, fluid strike, high line. As the low strike, fluid strike comes out, the high strike goes around the head to come back with another fluid strike, high line to the head. So it's going to be high, around the head we go, low, high, high, around the head we go, low, and high. So if you come over here, just stand with your hands behind your back. The broken 6, I would hit on one side of her head, hit her hand, elbow, body, hip, whatever bone area I can, and then I would hit the other side of her head for the broken hit. Same thing, one side of the head, elbow, hip, knee, any bony area, low strike, and then the opposite side of the head to finish. For fluid 6, you're going to hit one side of the head, hit the lower part, the body, and then I'm going to hit the same side of the head. It throws people off. That's throwing a wrench in the equation. So I go high, one side of her head, low, and then on the same side of the head, I go high again. So doing it with a partner, scoot over this way just a little for me. We're going to go high, around the head, low, and then high again, fluid. These are all fluid strikes. High, around the head, low, high, fluid strikes. One more. High, around the head, low, high. High, around the head, low, high. If you hold your stick straight up and down, same thing, high, low, high. High, low, high, you'll see I hit on this side of the sticks on all 3 strikes, and then I'll hit on this side of the stick on all 3 strikes. So this is Fluid 6. Ray Amanat, Self Defense Pros.